Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. This video will be very much helpful for you, so please see this video up to the end. And if you are not the subscriber of my channel, please subscribe my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography, and of course click on the bell icon to get each and every notification of my videos. So in this video I am going to discuss how you can save any plot in your laptop or in your computer from RStudio. RStudio is a programming software, and previously I have several videos in this channel on RStudio, and in this video I am going to show how you can save your plot in terms of TIFF or in terms of PNG or in terms of PDF, etc. in your personal computer from RStudio. You can see this is a code, and here in the environment and in this plot you can see different plots after printing the plot here in this window. And to save any plot easily, what you need to do, first of all, this is a plot code. In my next video I'll try to show how to customize a plot according to your need in terms of font size and font style, etc. And this is a plot code. I don't want to discuss about it in this video. And after the plot code you need to print to see in this plot interface. So think that the plot code and the plot material is ready for you, and then what you need to do to save the plot in your personal computer. For that you have to select file path. Without creating file path it is also possible, but it is easier to identify where the plot is. So for that, file path, create a file path, and slash will be like this. Here my file path is C drive, users, understanding RS-GIS and geography, then desktop, and I named the file name as plot, and I want to save as TIFF. You can also save as PNG like this. Everything is same. And then you need to do ggsave. File name is file path and file name. Okay, and then plot. To what you want to plot. This is the plot code P. So P, and I need width as 8, unit inch, height at 6.5 inch, and I need background, white background. Okay, and DPI 600. You can increase or decrease according to your need. And then this is the plot code of PNG or TIFF, and this is the plot saving plot code for PDF. Here is the same process, file path and then file name, and you need to give the extension PDF. Here it was TIFF or PNG, and here it is PDF, vector quality PDF, ggsave, file name, file path, including that file path, file name, and then plot P means this P I want to plot, and width, height, and unit in inch. And after run all the thing, the plot will be saved in this location in as this name. Okay, thanks for watching till the end. Thank you so much. Please share this video, like this video, and comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me. And if you want to join my channel, you can join, and after join you will find this code and all other codes of Google Earth Engine, RStudio, or programming, etc. in after join. So I'll to request you to please join my channel. Thank you so much.